How to fix low volume on Netflix. So if you want to fix the low volume on Netflix, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Netflix application. Once you open up your Netflix now, due to some reasons, Netflix might have the low volume, right? So first, start a TV show or a movie and bring up the play controls. And under your play controls, now select the other option, which will be on the bottom right of your screen. Once you go with other, you'll probably notice that the English original 5.1 is selected under your audio, right? So select the option which is English original without the 5.1, because if you choose 5.1, then you will get low audio or you will get some audio problems. So simply select the original one, which does not include 5.1. And after that, your TV show or your movie will restart, and you should notice an improved audio experience. So that's how you can fix your low volume on Netflix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.